Yes, Aditya.
Yes, I would like to share my screen first of all. Uh,
Sure.
so, can I present like the PPT?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, give me a minute. So, the company name is basically ResearchGate, and the product name is March into Space. So, the theme which I've taken over here is research space.
Okay.
So, who am I basically? My name is Aditya, and I warm heartedly welcome you to the session. I'm a student from grade 8, Harvest International School in Bangalore. I am basically also a space techie, so I had also requested 4 images from the ISS,
Wow.
and I have received 1 image from the ISS. So, I have taken a basically image from ISS, which is International Space Station. So as I already introduced you to ResearchGate Mars into Space, so what I've done is I have built a website along with a few tweaks, and we have the products as well. So what is the problem that I address? So first, my theme was basically my main major idea was Mars ready and certified. So why? Well, this is because the closest the red planet will come to the Earth for the next 15 years or until September 2035, according to earthsky.org. So what does this mean is that uh, in the year 2035, Mars will be the closest to Earth, and if we launch during this period, it will only take us 5 months to travel, comparing it to the usual 7 to 8 months. So during this time, many commercial and government-run organizations basically want to send people to Mars and build a permanent habitation over there. So if we talk about commercial partners, then SpaceX, NASA, ISRO, ESA, JAXA, then many other space agencies, they basically want to use this opportunity and send many people to Mars and colonize it. But the problem is, most of us don't know much about Mars. We know that it's the red planet, it's fourth from the sun, blah, blah. So, plan to send astronauts. Basically, these companies plan to send astronauts to Mars from many different backgrounds and communities. So Mars and us. So how are you, Mars and space, briefed and ready to go to space? If you are not, then how? Mars into space addresses this issue, and a great time too, when there is a world of opportunities to learn sitting at your home. Getting Mars verified and mentally ready at your home, at your comfort zone, by filling and going through just a bunch of material based questions is very easy. And that too from no extra money from your pocket. Wow, that really surprises me. So let's think about the basics. So imagine that you're going on vacation and you're going to this hilly region, and you would go to explore after a few days, after settling in, basically after acclimatizing to the climate there. You would go and explore your surroundings, right? Won't you enjoy it? Just the same way, if you were going to the ISS for a vacation, won't you be excited? But want the cost to be high for the same? Now, keeping the cost out of the picture, see going to an ISS as an already occurred event. So now you think that you have been to the ISS, you have enjoyed your term in space, and now you are thinking about going to a vacation on Mars. How would that be? That would be nice, right? Instead of saying to your friend or colleague that I have been to so and so location on Earth, you would say that I have been to Mars and I have visited all these places on Mars and I have explored Mars as well. So this way, Mars is becoming a tourist attraction. Now you must have heard Inspiration 4 and many other people going to Mars as a tourist, as a civilian. And now you think that the first baby is born on Mars and he's a completely Martian person, and then Mars is getting, what do you say, colonized slowly, and then the population over there is increasing, the terraforming is happening. So let me go to the next slide. So how does this benefit you or create value to you? Now you may think that this is just a company coming up. Now, why does this create value to me? Well, you may get inspired by the technological advancements made possible by the exploration and research done on Mars and create something useful for the people here on Earth. So now there are many technologies that have come to this concept. The concept of building a habitation on Mars is by 3D printing, by using the local resources available on Mars. Now there's a machine that weighs 2 tons here on Earth that can do the same thing by using cement. It can 3D print a house, a building, or any cement structure that you want to create. And it just needs two operators to run it with minimal knowledge. Now, if you're from the mining industry, you could explore a possibility of space mining. Or if you're from the tourism industry, then space tourism is a very popular idea today as more and more civilians explore space. As I already told you, that more and more civilians are exploring space today. So space tourism is getting very popularized. Now the science industry. You may want to do a scientific innovation or any scientific advancement in science. Then a great way to start is from the science of Mars. Now, if you're not sure where to start with, as an scientist, you can look as Mars as a world of opportunities. Our product is a good way to start learning, exploring, and innovating Mars. Also, if you are a student, this may be useful in some school project that you do. So we have built a website, an app, a 3D model, a book. So this is the ResearchGate website. Well, this website is our website, and as you can see, the design, it is designed with a lot of effort. The home page, image, and we have a lot more basically on the website. So let me take you through the product specifications. So this is the website first. So as you can see, all these rectangular yellow color boxes, these basically are highlighters to help you. So this is our home page. This is our nav bar. You can search in this and you can comment as well. And you can share these blog posts around the world with anyone via link, email, anything else you may imagine. So this is our contents page in the website. So we add basically content over here. This is currently under active development. So introducing the ResearchGate mobile app. Currently, this mobile app has a lot of issues, and it has to be resolved. So these are just some screens that we made, and the website will basically look this way on the mobile app. So now, what is our roadmap, or what is our future? In which way you would like to invest in us? So first, we launched the product around the start of September when ATL Space Challenge was launched. Then we designed some products. We took a lot of time for that. We took 2 to 3 weeks. Then we launched it to the world. Basically, this is not currently happened on a full large scale. And then comes our first revenue. How will this be possible? First revenue, basically the Google Forms that we have created for Mars Ready certification. The certification process also has some minor issues that will get fixed. And then our first revenue will be by the selling of our ebook as a physical book, as a magazine, as an online ebook. We have openly given some content for the ATL. so that young learners can read that content and get to know more about Mars. So that will be only a brief about the whole thing, uh, about the planet, basically. That will be like a 4 or 5 page document, but the ebook in the sense will be around 40 to 50 page document, of which we have already created 20 pages. So let's all see it. Let's see it all live now. So if you can see my screen.
Aditya, go a little faster because we've already taken a lot of time.
Okay.
Sir, sorry to interrupt, but I'm also his teammate.
This is Sachin, and he is my classmate, and he has also helped me in this project a lot. So
Okay.
thanks, Sachin. And as you can see, this is the website. Basically, I'll not take you through the content. These are our Google Forms. This is a feedback form. This is part 2. And we have gotten a good response from this. We have got 35 responses, and in the second one, we have gotten 11 responses. So that brings us to a ballpark image of around 45 people. So this is the basically the sheet that we have gotten for the responses. Then we have a community on which you can ask questions, and then we have a basically another help website, so that we can post the FAQ kind of stuff. And then we have our YouTube channel on which we have posted our first video. This is just to get started with. We will post many more YouTube videos. And then this is the Perseverance rover PPT that I had created. And we have a book about Mars, basically. So this is the book. And then we have a 3D model of Mars. So you can see, you can go in the dark mode and you can see how it looks. So then we had an app also, but unfortunately I cannot show it to you. I can certainly give the link to download the app. Then this is the video that I showed you on YouTube, basically. And yes, that's it.
So Aditya, what exactly is the problem statement that you're trying to address? You've shown a lot of stuff. It's very interesting that you have done. But what exactly is the core of the problem statement?
So the core, as I told you earlier, the core is that in 2035, Mars will be very close to us, and the travel period between Mars and Earth will be reduced. So during that time, many space agencies and commercial partners would like to send many people from here, Earth, to Mars to colonize it and terraform it. So they would obviously need people or manpower to do that. So in 2030, a commercial agency called SpaceX plans to send people to Mars, around 30 people to Mars. In that, there are doctors, engineers, designers, artists, and many other people from
That's
the
fine, but
technical
what exactly is the problem statement that your product is trying to address?
So if they were to get manpower, they would need at least people who are basically educated about Mars, right? And does our school curriculum educate people about Mars? I mean, students about Mars? We never know, right? They may be the future citizens of a colony on Mars, or they may be here on Earth and maybe go in afterwards to settle in on Mars.
So you're
we need
giving a
to
certification to educate them. You have a website, which is your product, which basically gives sufficient information about Mars and certifies people who would potentially go and colonize Mars. Right? That's what I understand.
So,
okay.
Yes, sir.
because we are
Basically,
not
just
sure.
gives knowledge about Mars, like what is it about, so that like most people don't know about Mars, a lot about Mars. So our data and information gives them ideas about Mars. And what is Mars basically?
Got it. Got it. So your problem
so
statement should come up front very clearly, and then you can delve into the details.
I don't think you can see my screen anymore, but I had a entire slide dedicated to the problem. and I can create a document later to explain the problem in great detail, because we are sure of the problem. We are not dicey about the problem. So let me make you confident about that. And once we educate, because nowadays schools are also focusing on extracurricular activities. So the Mars Perseverance PPT that I had shown you, right? I made it last year when I was in 7th grade. So I didn't know about Mars as much as I know today, because I was not educated. School didn't educate me. My parents didn't educate me. No one educated me. So there should be a system that can educate children or students about Mars, because you never know. They may be the future citizens. They may be doing some experiment on Mars.
Okay. Fine.
I hope
Good.
you understand.
Yeah. The problem statement is now clear. Yeah. So so maybe when you put the document, then it will be probably.
Right now the document which we have created, it's basically for sale. But I would like to make this contribution to ATL, that is Atal Tinkering Labs, because it has given me a platform where I can showcase my product. So I would donate this this book or magazine, whatever you call it, to them.
Okay, fantastic.
Currently, it's not refined. So after the
Take your
process of
time,
refining,
work on it. Yeah, that's fine. That's okay. You can come back. We are also running this ATL product challenge. If you can be part of that, and you can add it as a learning resource for the ATL.
So like, how can we be part in it?
Okay, just send me a message in the WhatsApp group. I think you're part of the ATL Space Challenge, right?
Yes, sir. We are part of the
so if you can
Space
send
Challenge.
me a message after this session, I will give you the link to join the ATL Product Challenge. The ATL Product Challenge is basically an initiative to get students to create learning materials and many other things for encouraging other students to tinker and innovate in the ATL. Because today, if you see ATLs, I mean, only a few students are really actively taking part. The rest are not getting to the ATLs. So we need more participation in the ATLs,
Exactly.
more innovation happening. So for that, we need to get students to create content. More than anybody else creating content, whether it is mentors or ATL in charges or schools or AIM, we need students themselves to create content and share it with each other. And that's how the learning will happen faster, and you can encourage more students to come and take it forward. Okay. So
Yes.
there we have.
I would like to donate one more project of mine to the ATL, and that would be research on the image that I took from the ISS, or the International Space Station. This is the image of Ganges in India. So I would first do research, and then I would dedicate that towards ATL, because this is a platform that has supported me a lot.
Sure. Yeah.
And
definitely.
if any questions, you can ask me now, and I can leave my email address and phone number if you wish to contact me for further questions.
Yeah. So Aditri, is there anybody who has questions, or Aditya and team?
Sir, I don't think anybody's raised their hands.
Okay. Anybody wants to ask any questions? Anyone?
No, sir. I think that they made it very clear.
Okay.
Sir, can we start, sir? Himesh and team.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
one
So
second,
one more thing. Sorry to interrupt. I have put my email address in the chat. If you want to contact me personally, you can go ahead and feel free to contact me.
Yeah, fantastic.